Alright, we're going to do a video of this Rowe stock straightener. This is a 7-roll straightener with initial pinch and pinch exit rolls. It's a model S-10. Yeah, it's 10-inch wide, I forgot to say that. And it goes from 30 thousandths to 140 thousandths. It's got some very nice controls on it. It's somewhat modern. The print up there says 1980. This has a little thing here. You turn it and you can set. This thing will do increments if you want. And it pulls on the arm and then it'll feed 2 inches or 4 inches or 8 inches. You can set it to use this whole system, or you can, it's got inch and jog, all that, or you can have it just run with the arm and skip this thing by putting them on zeros. So we're going to spark it up. It's got start forward, start reverse, and then you got inch or jog. You put it in auto over here if you want it to run with the arm. We're going to do a demo in jog because we're going to run a piece of strip through there. So it's a little noisy. Start forward. This is a speed control for the motor. Alright, so Joe over here is fan away. We're going to jog it in. Alright, Joe, give it a little push. Give it a little push. Yeah, there you go. Get it going. And it goes through. You can't see unless I hold a flashlight over that. There it goes. It comes right out the other end. Alright, and there it goes. It's nice and flat. And this is, of course, this is intended mainly for stock, a reel of metal, not just a little piece. But you could do it, but I'm just saying. It's got clutch adjustment. There's 2 clutches in this thing, and one is for running the machine and the other one is for that timer counter thing I was talking about. So there's 2 separate clutches. You can adjust them a little bit. You got a disconnect over here. You got the arm over here. This is set for transport. We pushed it all the way back. This would come out and there would be a loop in the material, and as the press pulls the strip, the arm goes up and down. I think anybody who's looking at this knows what I'm talking about. And that's what I have to say. It's a good running unit, heavy duty. That's all I have to say.